How can I use Cursor AI to get trading advice? I achieved 1000% profit using this every day. First, download and install Cursor on your device. It's not just a coding assistant, it's a powerful AI tool that can help with analyzing large amounts of information, writing scripts, generating code, and even assisting with day-to-day tasks. Think of it as a smart companion that can understand instructions and work with data much faster than you could manually. Once installed, Cursor will be ready to process whatever information you provide, whether it's trading data, code snippets, or research material. After you've set it up, the next important step is to get live blockchain trading data. For that, we'll use Binance Open API, which is freely available at api.binance.com. The Binance API is one of the best tools for traders because it gives you direct access to market data without relying on third-party websites. When requesting data, you need to provide three key things. The token pair you want to analyze, for example SOL/USDT or ETH/USDT, the time frame, such as 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, and the limit, which controls how many candlesticks or data points are returned in one request. Now, since the Binance API can deliver a huge amount of historical data, it's usually better to keep the limit smaller. You don't need years of history for short-term trading, you just need the most recent patterns. This helps Cursor analyze the freshest price movements and generate more realistic predictions for your next trade. For example, setting the time frame to 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes is ideal for day trading. These timeframes give you a good balance. The 1-hour chart shows the broader market trend, while the 15-minute chart helps pinpoint sharper entries and exits. When you look at the data you've downloaded, you'll notice each entry has a token price and a timestamp. Together, these form the basic structure of a candlestick chart. The same kind of chart you see on trading platforms. This raw data is exactly what we'll feed into Cursor. But here's the critical point, simply giving Cursor the numbers isn't enough. How you phrase your instructions, your prompt, will strongly affect the quality of the analysis. If you explain clearly what you want, Cursor can give you a detailed breakdown with entries, stop losses, and take profit targets. Here I write the prompt and paste it. Hey Cursor, I'm about to give you token price data for Solist on the 15-minute time frame. Analyze it and carefully give me trading advice, entry, stop loss, SL, and take profit, TP. Then press enter. Look, it's analyzing the given data. I got a deep analysis, entry targets, stop losses, and multiple take profit targets. You can use this data to further explore and decide your next entry on this coin. It includes detailed indicators and analysis results so you can see the reasons behind the entries. Let's try to analyze Ethereum the same way. Again, go to api.binance.com, change the pair to ETH, then fetch the data. Copy it and give it back to Cursor. It's analyzing again, and we get an in-depth result for Ethereum as well. Use this as information for your trading journey, but remember, this is not financial advice.